guys, it is me. I'm making videos today, but you might not be able to see my face. So it involves glue, shaving cream, lotion, contact solution, food dye, and maybe a little bit of my magic.
Once I show it in the board, you stop.
So,
and then do I keep it held in?
Yeah, but whenever I cut it open and you show it in the board, then you stop
to it.
And let go of it.
Yeah.
To it. Okay, so you're not going to be able to see my face. Okay, so first we're going to add in this Elmer's glue. I'm going to try to get some, sorry guys. Sorry guys, really sorry.
Tell Lynn to shut up.
Yeah, wait, Lynn.
I'm making a video. Be quiet. Okay, we're just gonna add in the glue.
Let me take this.
This is not coming out. Add in the glue. We're gonna do behind the scenes for my sister.
Okay, start it again and show me.
How do you do that?
Just start this, hold it on my face.
And press it.
Record you?
Yeah.
Record your face like
Yes.
that?
Yeah. I showed the glue on my face.
I did.
How much glue is on my face?
Not a lot. Okay, now do the shaving cream. Okay, so that's all we're getting. Okay, so now I'm going to add in the food dye. Red. I'm going to add in 2 drops because I only added okay, so now I'm going to clean it off. My spoon, and now I'm going to mix. And then after this, the next video is going to be a slime review for all the slime that I made. So as you see, I'm going to make some green slime, some blue slime, which you can't see. So, got like a hot pink with some lovely dye. I'm just going to add in 2 more drops. And it's going to be almost like that. So now I'm going to add in our shaving cream. So, that's enough now. I know you guys can't see my face. So some of the color faded away, so we're gonna add in some more dye. Add it in like one big squirt. And now it's poured in. Now
Okay.
Popping
we're
balloons,
going
and like it went everywhere every single
to
time.
add in my lotion.
I think ready. I can mix
If I
my
didn't tell you, we
water.
are making slime.
Okay, not now, but when you get a chance,
Sorry
like
for the background
tomorrow,
noise.
see
So I
if
added
you
in my
can find that
lotion
title to that.
and mix.
I get it. I don't have it. I just wondered because I wrote it down.
Okay. So after you mix it in, you might want to add in more shaving cream. So that's what I'm doing, and more coloring. So I added in more shaving cream and more coloring. And I just added in lotions. Just to let you know. Okay, so mix it all in. Make sure you get the bottom. Okay, so now you're going to take any of your activator. It does not actually matter what kind. You can do contact solution, Tide, borax activator, baking soda activator with contact solution with the baking soda activator. Okay, so just add in some contact solution. Oh, yeah, you can definitely see us green slime. Okay, so after you add in your activator, you're going to mix. And then it's gonna start getting thicker. As you see, my hand is moving slower. Cause look at this. Oh my gosh. So I just broke the spoon. So now I'm gonna have to use my hands. Yay. So I am sorry if this video ends, but there will be another video because yeah, I don't know where to put this. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna mix this. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix with my hands. They're actually very sticky. So now we're going to add in our Mold Magic clay. But first we're going to mix it so it can get softer. Let's see. So now it's a little bit stretchy, so we're gonna add our Mold Magic air dry clay and do our to our bowl of slime. Okay, so we're actually gonna get the slime out of the bowl, and yeah. So you guys can see my mom tilt the bowl over. We'll get all the slime out of the bowl. Sorry guys, you guys can't see my face. There is a bee on my camera right now. Don't bee, get off. Okay, so it is now a little bit sticky. But after the Model Magic is all mixed in, it will be not sticky at all. Why did I add in all that Model Magic clay? What if I needed it for another slime? Okay, so this is it so far. It feels so good. Okay, it's actually a very good slime. I'm impressed. So yeah, we're gonna hear some poking noises in a minute. Okay, so now here's the poking sounds. Wait, I need to swirl it. making sounds. Okay. So now since the slime is done, I get to end the video. So, make sure you drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the post notifications and comment done when you're done. Then you will get a shout out in the next video. I always say that in my video because who wants a shout out from me? Even if I only have 1 subscriber, like, yeah. So, bye.